back in the building. You know what I'm saying, guys? So I'm actually going to be showing you that at the end of this video, you will know how to analyze the forex market more efficiently and then profitably with this indicator that I'm about to share with you guys. Now, this indicator is what I've actually researched for a very long time, and I've been able to come up with something so good and something that will actually help you. So guys, without much further ado, now let's jump into the video. Now, the name of this indicator is called the double zigzag. All right, here is a short in this here is a short info about the indicator. It's called what? The double zigzag with higher high and higher low script. So now, how does this indicator work? Let's dive into the main video, guys. Now, here's the indicator. Remember, guys, that once we're about to analyze the market, we know that the market moves in an uptrend. We have series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. But now, in a market like this, guys, it might be difficult to actually spot the higher highs and higher lows, all right, in trending markets, because the price action are not as clear as we usually want them to be. So in this case, guys, what do we actually do for beginners or even advanced traders who are always confused, all right, of how they can analyze the market? What do? They make use of this indicator. So now let me go ahead and pop the indicator. Now here is the indicator. Now, what does this indicator does? As I've told you guys, in a trending market, all right, like this is a downtrend, guys. We see what we see we see what we see series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then, excuse me, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low. Now, does it just end there? No, but it has been able to do what? We have been able to solve a problem, guys, of actually analyzing the chart with this indicator. But now, is this how I definitely trade this indicator? No, this is not how I trade this indicator. Now, this is what happens right here. As you can see, lower low. All right, as you can see, the market already tells you that this is a what? This is a lower low right here, and then once the market pulls to this level right here, the lower high, as you can see here, we have the deep lower low, and then we have what? This one, the red one here, the lower high. So here is definitely how I trade this. Let me take example right here. Okay, we have what? We have a what? Higher high right here, and then the one, let me move this, guys, so you can see. Okay, excuse me. Where will I see this? Okay, guys, so we have what? We have higher high right here, and then what do we now have here? We now had what? A lower high. Remember, this is higher high, and then this is a lower high right here. So now, what I personally do is that I trade this level, guys. I trade this level. All right, this is definitely where I aim to check. Since we have higher high, and then market is telling us that this is a higher low, so I definitely track my trade around this level right here to see if markets will give me some confirmations on the 15 on the what, on the 15 minutes time frame, since this is uh, an H4 time frame, guys. So I go to my 15 minutes to actually check if there will be a setup. Now getting to my 15 minute, guys, I do not make use of this indicator anymore because I have already seen the direction of the market, guys. I have seen, I've been able to spot the direction of the market. So I now know that okay, on my 15 minutes I will be aiming to buy that particular pair, guys. So anything that I must be I'll be aiming to buy that pair around this zone here. Around this zone, only if I get my what, only if I get my confirmation, guys. So now let's check another pair, guys. Let's check another pair, guys. Alright, so this pair here, what we'll be looking for, guys, what we are looking for on this pair will be that once, because this weekend, once market opens, you can see what this was a lower high, and now this was an higher low. Because price didn't break this particular structure right here, that is why here was a lower high, guys. That was why there was a lower high. So now let me take off this, actually see what I'm doing, guys. So now that price broke this level right here, and that price broke this level right here, and then what we'll be looking for, this is an higher high, and then we're looking for what, an higher low. So now once price gives us what, an higher low, we will be aiming to buy this particular pair, guys. We'll be aiming to buy that particular pair. Alright, so that is it, guys. For here we can't really see any clear structure, guys. No clear structure. Alright, so clear structure right here. So we do what, we move on, guys. Alright, we do what, we move on. As you can see here, this is what, higher low, high high. Now this is what again, this is higher high, and then what, higher low. Now remember that from here, you will not be tracking this, but now once price pulls a little, okay, because now this is called what, an external high high and higher low. Now once price pulls a little, and then once price gives us what, another higher high, and then an higher low, that is when we'll be doing what, that is when we'll be buying this particular market, guys. That's when we'll be buying this market. So now let's check another setup. Let's check another what, let me check if I'm gonna see any real-time setup. That okay, here is it, guys. Here is it, guys. Alright, let me take this. Now let's use this for example. You can see here, this is what, an higher high right here, and then market is doing what, forming and what, market is forming a higher low right here. So what we're gonna do from here is that we will mark what, we'll mark this level, we'll mark what, we'll mark this level right here. I'm marking this level right here, we're gonna track it to our 15 minutes. So until we actually get what, from the 15 minutes I told you guys, we'll not be using this indicator anymore. I'll make another video to show you the indicator which you should use to do what, to fine-tune your entries, guys. So we're not making use of it. You can see how the market is as clean as possible, and you can also see what, the higher high and then the higher low at this point, guys. You can also see that here is it. Alright, market came here, pulled back, and then broke the structure. Alright, then did what? Still continued breaking the structure and then doing what? Almost retesting it. So with this indicator, you are able to analyze the market more accurately and then more precise, both for beginners and then advanced traders who do not really understand price action. Yes, do not understand price action. Things will get more simpler for you guys using this word, using this indicator, guys. This indicator, guys. So now let's go to another setup, guys. Let's go to another setup, guys. Let me take off something, guys, so you can all see. Now let's pop the indicator and see what is happening, guys. Alright, okay, here's another clean setup. Here is what? Another clean setup, guys. So as you can see here, this was already higher high, and then price is giving us what? Higher low. Price is giving us higher low. At this point, price is giving us higher low. So we just have to do, we have to mark the higher low spot right here. Mark the higher low spot. Now from here you're gonna know that okay, on the higher time frame, price has given us what? Series of what? Higher high and then higher low right here. So you need to come to your 15 minutes. For 15 minutes, take off this indicator so you can actually do what? Track your trade in real time. So you can track your trade in real time, guys. So here is it. Alright, I'll be giving you another indicator, another strategy on how to make your entries very well, guys. So if you're enjoying this series, please like and then subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then the link to my Telegram channel will also be in the description below. Do well to hit me up on Telegram so you could always get new updates and then new strategy whenever it drop, guys. So here is it. Let's check for another setup, guys. Let's check if we're gonna see another setup, guys. Let me take another setup, guys. Now let me take this drawing off. Take this drawing off, guys. And now let's figure out what we're seeing. Alright, this is a complex word. This is a complex chart right now because we do not have what? Any series of higher high and then higher low. You can see here what is market doing. Market gave us what? Market gave us what right here? Higher high and then lower low, lower high, and then nothing to actually back it up. So during conditions like this, you just have to do what? You have to stay off the market, guys. You have to stay off the market unless price does what? Price does this. Price does what? Gives you a lower low and then a lower high, something like this, until price does what? In a series of downtrend, until market does what? Gives you something like what? A lower low and then a lower high. That's when you actually aim to sell the market, just like once price gives you higher high and then higher low in an up trend, guys. So I think this we're actually going to end our video. If you have any complaint or if you have anything you have to share with me, you can drop that on the comment section and then I will answer you guys. And if you want or have any indicator or idea or strategy you want me to explain or share, then you can hit me up and I will make research and share my own opinion with you guys on that particular setup, guys. So Until I come here with guys, then follow me up on all social media platform guys at Babes and Girls. Your 001 will be right back tomorrow with another episode. Peace out.